Hi guys, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to connect two pieces of neon together. You take one end of your transformer and you connect it to your electrode securely and give it a good twist. And remember, this is where the power is coming from, so I can't touch anything metal. And if so, it just needs to have some silicone to protect it. The other end of the transformer gets connected to another electrode on the other piece of neon. So you have the two cords from it coming from the electrode. One goes on one piece of neon and the other goes on another piece of neon. Then you take your extra cord and you connect one to one piece of neon and the other to the other piece of neon. Make sure that electrode wire is twisted securely. And there you have an easy connection of two pieces of neon together.